We at Digital Garage are committed to solve our customers' business challenges via technology enablers such as Microsoft Power Platform. We help customers in their journey of digital transformation-led growth. Microsoft Power Platform has more than enough tools in its arsenal to solve evolving, growing and compounding digital needs of growing businesses. Enterprises of all sizes can leverage this platform to build any digital solutions exactly as per their business and process need. Let's understand Microsoft Power Platform in the form of Lego blocks. As a child uses the same set of Lego blocks to create different toys such as an aeroplane, a boat, and a house, Microsoft Power Platform is just like a Lego box that contains all the ingredients necessary to create a variety of digital solutions exactly as per a business and process need. What you see on the screen are the various Lego blocks of Microsoft Power Platform. For example, it contains managed database, role-based access management, approval flows, automations, data flows, AI builder, etc. You name it, they have it. The beauty of this Lego Power is the ease with which these Lego blocks can stack together to create a variety of digital solutions. More importantly, the scalability aspect is completely managed by Microsoft. You can scale up and down as per your business cycle. If the same platform is chosen to build multiple applications, you can also expect the exponential effect of standardization and hence huge cost savings. Microsoft Power Platform, being a low-code, no-code platform, the coding effort to build any application is reduced by up to 90%. As compared with open freeware platforms, one can expect 10x speed to roll out business solutions. Because of the ease of development, a developer can pick multiple solution streams within, thus reducing the need of diverse skill resources. The training and knowledge transfer sessions are also ordered and tidy. One can easily expect up to 100 times the return on investments from solutions built on this platform. As you stack multiple solutions leveraging Microsoft Power Platform, you can expect massive benefits because of scale and standardization. In our experiences, this is one aspect which is often ignored, but is responsible for massive chaos, as a variety of applications are present in an organization, and their incompatibility with each other. At Digital Garage, our success lies in our methodology. Any solution we build for a customer consists of 3 stages runs in a sequence. In the first phase, our only focus is to understand customers' perspective. What are the burning needs of customer's business? What are his priorities? And what are his future aspirations? The most important thing considered here is to arrange things in the packing order with respect to customer needs. Next step is to transform perspective into architecture. It entails every micro detail stacked in a form that is completely customized as per the need of the solution. The third and final step is the solution building. Here seasoned platform developers, working under guidance of platform architects, transform architecture into reality. Success in all 3 areas ensures a robust and lasting solution. Contact us today for a no-cost POC to digitize your business processes. For more details and case studies, visit our YouTube channel. Details are on your screen and the link above.